Finding the perfect balance between size and quality in your living room just got easier with the advent of 32-inch smart TVs, blending sleek design with advanced technology for an unmatched viewing experience. This is exactly where the cream of the crop and the best 32-inch smart TVs steps into the spotlight, showcasing their superior features and connectivity. In our latest video guide, we highlight the top 4 best 32-inch smart TVs currently available, ensuring you find the perfect fit for your space and entertainment needs. For more details on each model, including where to buy them, be sure to check out the links in the description box below, and don't forget to hit subscribe to stay updated on the latest in tech trends. Now, let's jump right in and discover which 32-inch smart TV is the ideal addition to your home. Ranked at number 4 is the Samsung 32-inch M70B Series 4K Smart Monitor and TV. This sleek powerhouse is a hybrid marvel that integrates both entertainment and productivity into one elegant package. With its built-in 4K smart TV capabilities, you're plunged into a breathtaking world of vivid colors and crisp, vivid details, making it just as perfect for binging the latest series as it is for finessing a presentation. The groundbreaking PC-less productivity feature of the Samsung M70B series allows for working on documents and browsing the web without a traditional computer setup, making it ideal for minimalist spaces and streamlined workflows. Adding to its multifunctional prowess, it enables remote access to other PCs and seamless connection to Samsung mobile devices with Samsung DeX. The included slim-fit camera and its privacy-centric design offer peace of mind for video calls, while the SmartThings integration transforms it into a command center for your smart home. Yet, while the monitor is an IoT hub, the dependency on a stable Wi-Fi connection for its smart features could prove challenging for users with spotty internet. Nevertheless, this minor setback does very little to diminish the overall allure of the Samsung M70B series, which stands as a testament to Samsung's innovation in merging lifestyle and technology. Coming in at number 3 is the VIZIO D32F J04 32-inch D-Series 1080p Smart TV. This smart TV is a beacon of entertainment, shining bright with its full-array LED backlight that ensures a uniform and vastly contrasted image. Not just a pretty face, it boasts a 1080p Full HD resolution that creates a lifelike picture so immersive you'll feel part of the action. Coupled with an ultra-fast VIZIO IQ processor and gaming features galore, the V-Gaming engine makes this set a gamer's delight. Its variable refresh rate with AMD FreeSync technology and the responsive gaming menu caters to a seamless and thrilling gaming experience. But the VIZIO D32F J04 doesn't stop there. It's also fiercely intelligent. The intuitive SmartCast platform offers a wide array of built-in apps and the convenience of 260+ free channels, including WatchFree+. The future of content consumption is at your fingertips, with both Apple AirPlay 2 and Chromecast built in for endless entertainment possibilities. With all of these features packed into a perfectly sized screen, the VIZIO D-Series is a powerhouse in a modest package. The only slight drawback might be that its 32-inch screen might leave those craving a larger display wanting more. Nevertheless, for those in search of a versatile, high-performing smart TV that offers a range of features without overwhelming space, the VIZIO D32F J04 stands out as a stellar option. Ranked at the number 2 spot is the Samsung 32-inch class LED Smart FHD TV. This compact marvel packs a punch with its dazzling Full HD 1080p resolution that doubles the clarity of standard HD TVs, making every scene burst with detail and color accuracy. The brilliance of the Hyperreal picture processor enhances every image, and with Dolby Audio, your auditory senses are in for an exhilarating treat. This Samsung Smart TV excels at simplicity and intelligence. Its integrated smart TV features coupled with built-in Wi-Fi offer an inviting, interactive viewing experience that integrates streaming services seamlessly. The Samsung 32-inch LED Smart FHD TV elevates standard content with its Micro Dimming Pro, detailing an image so true to life you'll forget you're watching a screen. Plus, the quad-core processor ensures a fluid browsing experience, empowering you to switch between apps and content with ease. The variety of input and output options, including 2 HDMI ports and a dedicated game mode, ensure that connectivity and entertainment are never compromised, whether you're into binge-watching, browsing, or gaming. However, audiophiles might find the sound output lacking in depth, having only a 10W rating. L, 5W, R, 5W. Nonetheless, considering its size and category, the Samsung 32-inch LED Smart FHD TV delivers a comprehensive package for anyone seeking a second TV or one that fits perfectly in a smaller space, offering a smart, crisp, and engaging viewing experience that punches well above its weight. At number 1 is the INSIGNIA 32-inch Class F20 Series Smart Fire TV. This television is a game-changer for those who tiptoe in the realms of affordability and smart technology. While it boasts a modest 720p resolution, the visual quality is crisp and vibrant, turning any casual viewing into a high-definition experience. The seamless integration of the Fire TV platform means access to a massive library of streaming content is always at your fingertips. One of the standout features of this INSIGNIA model is the Alexa voice control, which revolutionizes the way you interact with your TV. The convenience of commanding your entertainment without lifting a finger adds a layer of futuristic ease to your viewing habits. Apple AirPlay support expands its versatility, ensuring that content sharing from your Apple devices is a breeze. Additionally, the HDMI ARC support streamlines your audio setup, banishing the clutter of unnecessary cables. However, the highlight, sometimes underestimated, 720p resolution could be seen as underwhelming for those accustomed to 1080p or 4K displays. Yet, when considering the audience and environment it's intended for, like a bedroom or small apartment, the INSIGNIA 32-inch Class F20 Series Smart Fire TV offers an incredible value, coupling essential smart features with a picture quality that satisfies everyday viewing needs. It's the epitome of getting more bang for your buck in the compact TV category. And there you have it, our comprehensive guide to the best 32-inch smart TVs on the market. We hope this has helped you in making an informed decision for your next smart TV purchase. If you found this video useful, please do us a favor and hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on more valuable insights and guides like this one. Thank you for watching.